today we're going to talk about something interesting. We're going to talk about seeded fuyu and how does it compare to seedless. I'd picked these just a couple days ago. Well, they're almost soft enough, a little soft. And this one today, I find it really soft, which is so fast. This has only been like 2 days indoors. It ripened so much faster than the one I bought in the store. You can see the color of my fuyu and the one in the store is different. But I wanted to talk about seeded fuyu. What in the world does it do, and does it make a difference in taste? So we know that my chocolate tree pollinated all my females, all my fuyu and gyros. So now it has seeds. And what it does is it seems to ripen the fruit much sooner. So seeded fuyus and gyros, they grow better crops, larger size, and apparently ripen a little sooner than if they were not seeded. So that's quite interesting. They've changed my fuyu texture. You can see like that. They do. That is quite the first time I see a fuyu with a jelly consistency like my astringent variety. Yeah, so I am curious to see how it tastes now. So this is my chocolate. My son decided to bite it and he saw, it didn't taste like what he imagined, and he put it right back. So it stops ripening once it's punctured. But I wanted to still use it rather than just throwing it away. But you can see it's typical for the coffee cake to have seeds. Yeah, but for fuyu, it's seed. This is seedless, which I love. So let's start with my coffee cake. I shall not eat that side, but this side. And it tastes just like the store-bought. It is a little smaller because it was so productive. Oh my gosh. You got a cluster of like 6 in a small area and a branch that's very small. So I think this is good for its age. Next year, I'm pretty sure it will have better fruit, but probably a little bit less productive, which is worth it. I'd rather have a few large ones than too many little ones. Now we have this. Now, what a beauty. Okay, we'll see if this has the skin and the seed. Oh my god. Yeah. It completely changes the texture of my fuyu. Now, some people wait for the fuyu to be very, very soft, to get really, really sweet, and that's how they like to eat it. And if you do eat it that stage, I just recommend eating a astringent variety. It is made for that purpose. But a fuyu, I like it when it's crunchy like this. If it's soft, I'll get an astringent variety, like, let me try to find it. This one, I just eat this one. It's still not soft enough. You can see, you gotta wait. You really gotta wait. So I don't really need to test that one. I know what I'm looking at. So we can see the seeded fuyus and gyros. The texture also changes, not just that they become seeded. It is different. So if you're looking for a fuyu that you're saying that it ripens late, or it's not sweet enough, or you do like it to be a little softer, then a chocolate tree or other male flowering persimmons will do the job. But if you like a fuyu without seeds, then you should not get any persimmon trees that produce male flowers, because they will seed I don't know, maybe 100 feet. I have not tested this, so I don't know how far they can pollinate. But I'm guessing you gotta put it at least 100 feet away to maybe prevent it from seeding all your other persimmons. But I really love my coffee cake. It tastes wonderful. It's just a little small this year, but hey, can't ask for much.